Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
In this segment, we are going to teach the child to write a simple paragraph in points by asking questions. This strategy is called as web. This is in comparison with the spider's web. How a spider uses a speck of dust and builds a web around it. Similarly, children with difficulties are taught to keep the topic as the center point and use question words to build sentences. Here, the clues are written next to the questions and later the child is encouraged to make simple sentences. Let us use this strategy of web to write a simple paragraph on lion in points. The topic is taken in the center. The questions are written on the arms, questions are asked and the answers are got and written around the various arms. Now, let us see how we are going to question and get the answers and make a simple paragraph about lion. What is a lion? It is carnivorous animal. Where does the lion live? Lion lives in the forest. How does the lion look? It looks ferocious. Why does the lion look ferocious? It looks ferocious because of its sharp claws and teeth. Let us see how these clues can be made into simple sentences and written in the form of a paragraph with points. Lion is a animal. Lion lives in the forest. It looks ferocious. Lion looks ferocious because sharp teeth and claws. We discussed a simple methodology called web, where the topic is taken in the center, question words are used and the child is able to come up with clues which are written around the web. Now, we are going to discuss a little higher level web, where the topic is given and the child is encouraged to come up with ideas. 4 arms are given and the child is encouraged to come up with 4 ideas, and these 4 ideas are noted down in the form of points and it makes a simple paragraph. Now, let us take a popular topic called Diwali. The child is encouraged to come up with ideas. The first idea the child would come up with is Hindus celebrate Diwali. The second idea would be we wear new clothes and burst crackers. The third idea the child would come up with will be plenty of sweets. Yet one more idea would be we would visit relatives. Now, using the ideas given by the child, let us see how the child is going to write these ideas in the form of points to make a paragraph. Here we write about Diwali. The first idea generated was Hindus celebrate Diwali. The next idea is we wear new clothes burst crackers. Mother makes plenty of the next sentence about the fourth idea relatives. Using the methodology of Webb, we taught the child to write a paragraph with points. Now, let us see how we will be able to help the child to write a paragraph describing the sequence of events. Let us use a strategy to describe a sequence of events. The child is given a topic and the child brainstorms on the topic using the words like first, then, next, last, and the child comes up with ideas and it is written in the form of paragraphs. Here the child is encouraged to ask questions. First, what happened? Then, what happened? Next, what happened? Finally, what happened? So, by asking these kind of questions, the child is able to come up with ideas and write a paragraph. Now, let us take a topic of getting ready to school. We will see how questions can be asked and this sequence of events can be written in the form of a paragraph. Now, let me show you how to ask questions and convert their answers into a paragraph. First, we ask the child, first, what did you do? I up in the morning. Then what did you do? I brush my teeth and have my bath. Next, what did you do? I had my breakfast. Last, what did you do? I wear my shoes and walk to school. So, using the methodology of Webb and asking appropriate questions, the child is able to make a paragraph with points initially and then child is able to write a paragraph with topic sentences, supporting sentences and a concluding sentence. Any paragraph has a topic sentence, few supporting sentences and a concluding sentence. We are going to give few clues to the child to help the child make a paragraph. We are going to use graphic organizers like an ice cream cone. Here the top of the ice cream would be the topping sentence and the cone would be the concluding sentence. The number of scoops we are going to include would be the number of supporting sentences the child is supposed to make. Let us take the topic picnic. With the help of the graphic organizer, the child is encouraged to make at least 5 sentences. Now, let us see how we are going to write these sentences. The topic sentence would be we went for picnic to Vandalur Zoo. We went by bus. We carried snacks with us. We saw many animals in the zoo. Those were the 3 supporting sentences we wrote about our picnic. Now, let us see what would be the concluding sentence. It was fun to go around the zoo. Children with specific learning disability, when they start writing sentences on their own, the sentences would be too simple and it would be written in the way which has been shown now. As the writing skills improve and they are able to pick up vocabulary and syntax, the sentences would become better with more practice.